Hello students, good morning. Today we are discussing the another main subject of secondary pharma, that is pharmaceutical chemistry 2. In the pharmaceutical chemistry, as the name shown, the chemistry which will be behind the pharmaceutical products. So in the this lecture today we are going to discuss about the local anesthetic drug. Local anesthet- local anesthetics are the drugs which produce locally anesthesia. So first of all, what is local anesthetics? These are defined as reversibly block the impulse conduction and produce a transient loss of sensation in restricted region of the body. That means blockage of a sensory transmission to brain from a localized area. In case of local anesthesia, they are majorly used to perform the minor surgery. These are used in case of minor surgeries as compared to the general anesthetics. They means local anesthetic drugs neither cause loss of consciousness and no need to make a proper maintenance for the vital function during the surgery. So, local anesthetic will be produce the reversible blockage of the impulse conduction, and they will be produce their action at a particular means local area of the drug. This drug will be administered to the site of action. These drugs will be introduced in the site of. So the local anesthetics are capable blocking of all type of the nerves which are different from their different nerve fibers. Therefore, pain, temperature, and touch sensations are blocked first. Slowly, that will be disappear. That is called the confirmation of anesthesia. The recovery take place in a reverse order. The recovery will take in a reverse order. So the mechanism behind the local anesthesia, the first of all, specifically the pain fiber is evaluated, and the nodes of Ranvier which increase with the size of nerve fiber. These drugs are mainly classified as with their therapeutic use also. First one, the main group is called amide type. Amide type means in that case we have further two division. These are called long acting and intermediate acting. The choice of drug in the long acting, that is called bupivacaine and ropivacaine. So in case of intermediate, in that the choice of drug is called lignocaine or a lidocaine. Second main group is called ester. They are further divided into three types as similar: long acting, intermediate acting, and short acting. The example for long acting is tetracaine, So, in case of intermediate, the example is called cocaine. In case of the short acting, we have drug that is called procaine, benzocaine, chloroprocaine. These are the few examples which we used under the local anesthesia. So, as the example of vasoconstrictor, for example, adrenaline, that will be added with the local anesthesia, lead to decrease the blood supply, then rate of removal of drug by the blood. These things are comes under the mechanism of action because with vasoconstrictor the decrease of the systemic toxicity increase the duration of action and the activity longer. The main characteristic for the local anesthesia, it should be a non-irritating, effective. In the other hand, show a rapid onset of action, sufficient duration, and the main point that is a reversible of the action. So, first we consider the cocaine. Cocaine is a potent than the lidocaine. Cocaine causes vasoconstriction, so no vasoconstrictor is added with. As we see previously, the addition of adrenaline along with the lignocaine. By this, in case of cocaine, no need to add any vasoconstrictor. So, when we see its structure, there will be a show the presence of carboxy methyl group. Carboxy methyl group. When we remove this group, means removal of the carboxy methyl group, which will be abolish the addiction activity or addicting ability of the drug. With this, it will lead to the synthesis of procaine, that is another prototype of a local anesthesia. Cocaine is no longer used, the cocaine is no longer used. Earlier, it is also used for ocular anesthetics. There are certain toxicity which will be generated with the cocaine. That means it will a CNS stimulant drug. Cocaine is a CNS stimulant drug that it cause euphoria, delay the fatigue, and cause strong psychological dependence. Another toxicity for the medium duration, that is cocaine, it also produces bradycardia, rise in the blood pressure, rise in the body temperature, and then it will cause nausea and vomiting. There are structure activity relationship with the cocaine. That means amino ester. Amino ester means when we see the basic structure of amino amides, there will be a group which will be shown here that is called R1 and R2 and R3. The presence of at these positions, it will change certain other function of the basic drug. Suppose at the group of R3, aromatic group will be not substituted here when we will see the group X is there. At the X we can replace with the oxygen or with the nitrogen. Then when we see the R2, the group R2, it is a hydrophilic part amino group. With this group there will be certain changes. like lipid solubility. Lipid solubility increase the extent of substitution. Extent of substitution means the addition or deletion of the any group at the basic structure. So ionization constant, that means blockage of conduction, blockage of conduction by interacting at the inner surface of the sodium channel. Now at the position of R3, at the position of R3, ester or amide group, ester or amide group will increase the activity. Electron withdrawing factor will decrease the activity. Insertion of the CH2 group between the aromatic ring and a carbonyl group, it will decrease the activity of the drug. The position of methyl means CH2 group, that will decrease the activity. Other substitution when we see on the aromatic ring, on the aromatic ring, when substitute methyl group, it will decrease the hydrolysis of the amide and prolong the activity. In case of amino ester, we have further two drugs, that is called procaine and butadiene. Procaine is also choice of drug because it is a short acting local anesthetic agent having a low potency and short duration of action. In case of procaine, procaine is a short duration but having certain toxic effects are there like bradycardia, vasodilation, decrease in the cardiac output and shivering. All these things will be come across when you use the procaine. But nowadays having no longer use because it is ineffective when it is applied to the topically. Procaine not show its effect when it is used topically. The main therapeutic use, it will be used with the certain penicillin like benzyl penicillin. It is a poorly absorbable salt with penicillin. Means it is used with the penicillin, then the name generated, that is called procaine penicillin. Given by intramuscular route of administration, similar butadiene. Now come to the point, that is the main drug of, that is called lidocaine or a lignocaine. Lignocaine is a choice of drug. Nowadays the lignocaine is also choice of drug. When we see the chemical structure of lignocaine, then the addition or substitution of certain type of points that will affect the activity of the drug. So at the position of ortho, at the position of ortho, that will prevent the hydrolysis of amide. The chemical name for the lignocaine, that is called 2-diethylaminomethyl and 2,6-dimethylphenyl acetamide. The lignocaine is a non-irritant having a good water solubility, short duration of action. It is a vasodilator so fastly abolished from the site. Abolished from the site means because the local anesthesia will be used at the local area. The various toxicity effect of the lignocaine, primarily it will be shown on the central nervous system like dizziness, paresthesia, euphoria. Higher dose produce the confusion. These are the certain common toxic effect of the drug. Nowadays, a most widely used multi-purpose local anesthetic drug. Lignocaine is most widely used. When it is used topically on the mucous membrane, it will show its effect with a short period. The lignocaine is available in the form of aqueous solution, jelly, ointment or a viscous solution. So these will be employed infiltration nerve block for epidural anesthesia. So the local anesthetic effect, it is also used for epidural anesthesia at a concentration of 5%. It is also used with the adrenaline in case of dental extraction. The other example for aminoamide is called mepivacaine or bupivacaine. So in that bupivacaine is most widely used. So these are available in two forms, bupivacaine with the levobupivacaine. Both are four times more potent than the lignocaine. Bupivacaine is a four times potent than the lignocaine. It will be used for nerve blockage, infiltration, spinal anesthesia of long duration. It also having a intermediate onset of action. The various toxic effect of this. The main effect on the heart when you go for electrocardiogram, it will prolong the QTC interval at the electrocardiogram. Its cardiac toxicity is also enhance the acidity level of the body. As we see the synthesis of lignocaine and the procaine. The synthesis of lignocaine that is required the basic ingredient that is called 2,6-xylidine. On the other hand, in case of procaine, we use the ethyl 4 amino benzoate. The metabolic process is that it hydrolysis by esterase, means it is in an ester type. On the other hand, that is a non-ester type. In case of non-ester type, the drug is called lignocaine. The metabolic process of the lignocaine with a dethylation, then hydrolysis by amidase. The toxicity of this drug, it will cause CNS sedation, restlessness, restamagus, confusion, convulsion. In case of cardiovascular system, it will cause cardiac block, arrhythmia, vasodilation. Certain allergic reactions is also produced by the lignocaine. To decrease these side effects, to decrease all these side effects from the local anesthesia, there will be certain replacement. That means in case of no ethyl group, but when we add the methyl group, it will be prevent the metabolism by monoamino oxidase inhibitor. So when toluene is hydrolysis, means it is fairly stable in the tissue and as well as in the blood. It will not show When the two ethyl groups are there, there will be no effect on the central nervous system. Thanks a lot. Have a nice